How to play videos from USB flash drive on your DREAME TV. First, upload the videos on your USB flash drive using your local PC or laptop. And once you have uploaded media files on your USB flash drive, just insert your drive into the TV. Now all the USB ports are located on the back side of your TV, and you can reach them from the left side of it. Both USB ports are located above your HDMI ports. So once you find two of them, just insert your USB flash drive into one of them. Doesn't really matter which one. And after you insert the USB flash drive into your TV will automatically detect it, and you're just gonna have to select the media type you want to play. In our case, it's video. This will take us to the video folder with the videos that we want to play. So just select the video that you want to play, and it will be played. However, if your TV didn't detect the USB flash drive automatically, we can press the sources button on the remote control, which looks like a rectangle with arrow facing inwards. Then we're gonna have to select the media source right here, and then go to video and play video from here. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.